Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to modify the program class in order to add the web host builder in ASP.NET Core web application. This is a continuation of our previous video where we discussed how to modify the CS project file to convert a console application to an ASP.NET Core web application. So we need to make some changes in our program.cs class file. We are going to do below changes in our program.cs class file. Okay, what are those changes? First, we have to add the web host builder. Second, we have to configure the startup class. Once we have done with the program.class file, we have to focus on startup class. In the startup class, we need to add routing, then we need to set default route. Before adding web host builder, first we need to understand what is host builder because this is an important concept in ASP.NET Core. So, what is host builder? Host builder is an object and it is used to add some features in the application. Remember, in our console application, we made some changes in CS project file. By making some changes, we can see format of the application is updated completely. But even after making changes in the CS project file, this is not a completely converted web application. So we need to add some host builder. To add the host builder, we need to use some methods. What are those methods? Let's see. First method is create default builder method. This method is available in host class. So we will use this host class and then we can call this create default builder method. By using the create default builder method, we will get inbuilt support for dependency injection. This is the one of the most popular design patterns used in almost all modern web applications. Also, it enables scope validation on the dependency injection container when environment name is development. Then we will get the feature of configuration. Configurations are basically the settings that our application uses that we write in app settings.json, app settings.environment variable.json, user secrets, environment variables, and etc. Okay. This create default builder method will provide some facilities to read the settings and configuring settings from these places. Along with this method also configures the logging features of to log to the console, debug, etc. and even source output. Okay. Nowadays, logging is mandatory for any kind of application. Okay. So, by using the create default builder method, we also get logging support by default. This method also set the content root path to the result of get current directory method. It means we will get this by default by using create default builder method. There is no need to add any other third party to access this facility. Let's add create host builder in our console application. So go to Visual Studio here. Below this method, let's create one more method, public static iHost builder. Then method name create host builder. Okay, let's add namespace for this iHost builder. iHost builder belongs to using Microsoft extensions hosting. So add this namespace. Inside this method we will call create default builder method. Okay, we can use host class here. See here, this host class is available in microsoft.extension.hostings.host. Okay, now call this method create default builder. Okay, that's it. Now add return keyword here. Okay. Now right click on create default order, then click go to definition. See here, yes, this create default builder method is in host class. Okay. It contains some definitions. This method is used to initializes a new instance of the Microsoft.extensions.hosting.host builder class with pre-configured defaults. Pre-configured default means all the settings that we discussed in slides. Okay. Returns the initialized Microsoft extensions.hostings.highhost builder. Then it has some remarks, hostings, environment, configuration, logging, etc. I hope you understood this video. See you there in next video.